Well, as the CEO and managing attorney at our law firm, my role has always been twofold. The first is to recruit the most talented and committed team members that I possibly can. And the second is then to build the infrastructure, to provide the training, to put the processes in place that allows the team to provide just the very highest level of representation. Now, why is this so important to us? Well, sometimes this is the only time in their lives that a person will ever hire an attorney, and it's often at one of the darkest times. So these things are so important to us because the issues that we're dealing with are so important to our clients. What I would tell people facing divorce is to start with the end in mind. Now, there are obviously a lot of outcomes that are important in your case. Child support, for example, is important. What your child custody arrangement is going to be, what your alimony payment might be. But I encourage people to look a little bit more deeply into what they really need out of this. You might ask questions like, how can I come out of this process a better person and a better parent? How can I improve my communication with my ex? How can I set my child up for success? If you ask these kind of questions, then you can transform this process into just being a long, drawn-out fight into something that actually impacts your life in a positive way. A lot of things can happen in the course of a divorce case. Emotions can run high, and there can be a lot of issues that can distract you away from what's really important. Unfortunately, there are a lot of attorneys out there who don't discourage that because it's great for their bottom line. But at our firm, we are completely client-focused. That's how we bill ourselves. So we're going to do what's right for our clients in every situation. And that means that we are also well-versed in all options that people have. And a lot of people don't realize how many options they really do have. Your divorce might be uncontested. Mediation might be the right thing for you. Collaborative divorce might be the best thing for you, or at the end, you might just need a litigation and a trial to get you to the end of your case. Whatever that may be, our firm is going to keep you focused on that, and that's where we feel that we get people through these cases as quickly and successfully as possible. There's nothing worse than someone going through a divorce who feels like they don't have a zealous advocate for them, or they feel like their voice just isn't being heard. Our lawyers practice exclusively in the areas of divorce and family law. We've been in front of the judges that are going to hear your case. We know the issues, we know the arguments to make, and most importantly, we know how to tell your story and make sure that your voice is heard. At the end of the day, we want everyone involved in the case, whether it's the judge, opposing counsel, opposing party, and especially our clients, to feel like we did far more than they ever could imagine. That's what every single person on our team strives to bring to cases where our clients have put their trust in our firm to represent them.